The global industrial complex stands on the precipice of a safety revolution. In mid-2026, the movement known as Safety 4.0 has captured international attention across corporate and social networks. Trending during National Safety Week and the World Day for Safety and Health at Work, this framework redefines corporate risk mitigation. Traditional safety programs often treat compliance as a static checkbox, relying on post-incident investigations and paper-based tracking. Safety 4.0 replaces this reactive paradigm with an active, interconnected ecosystem. It integrates cyber-physical tools to protect the modern workforce. This transformation represents more than just the adoption of new digital gadgets. A comprehensive report by Deloitte outlines a four-dimensional framework that forms the baseline of the Safety 4.0 philosophy. The physical safety pillar requires an exhaustive redesign of all environments workers inhabit, including operational areas, remote accommodations, transit corridors, and administrative offices. This physical restructuring is complemented by psychological safety. Workplaces must cultivate an environment of trust where employees feel safe to express diverse ideas, raise concerns, and report incidents or harassment without fear of retaliation, bullying, or isolation. Legislative and societal expectations require organizations to actively address psychological safety to retain talent and meet compliance mandates. Cultural safety extends these protections by ensuring that every employee, regardless of culture, age, gender, race, sexuality, or socioeconomic status, feels heard, respected, and valued. Cultural safety also requires protecting the communities and lands where organizations operate. Finally, cybersecurity provides the digital foundation for the entire ecosystem. As industrial environments become increasingly connected, protecting intellectual property, asset controls, and sensitive worker biometric data is critical to maintaining physical safety and organizational trust. Safety Quadrant Core Operational Target Key Digital Physical Enablers Organizational Outcome. Physical Safety 1 Redesigning Operational, Administrative, and Transit Zones. Collaborative Robotics, Wearable Sensors, and Automated Machinery Guards. Minimization of lost time injuries and physical hazards. Psychological Safety 1 Eliminating Harassment, Bullying, and Fear of Reporting. Psychological Safety 1 Anonymous Digital Feedback Systems and Open Communication Channels. Enhanced Reporting Rates, Innovation, and Worker Retention. Cultural Safety 1 Building Inclusive Environments for all socio-demographic groups. Cultural Safety 1 Inclusive Policy Codes and Collaborative Community Platforms. Early Identification of HR Risks and Stronger Community Trust. Cybersecurity 1 Protecting Automated Systems and Private Worker Data. End-to-end Network Encryption and Secure Data Protocols. Mitigation of cyber-physical exploits and protecting sensitive information. The EHS community has an opportunity to redefine its role within organizations. New paradigms in EHS present both challenges and opportunities. Promoting open dialogues and collaboration will be essential. Connecting safety with core business strategies cannot be overstated. Safety 4.0 will shape the future of workplace culture and employee well-being. To make this shift successful, organizations must adapt their strategies accordingly. Employee involvement is critical in shaping a safe and inclusive culture. Strong leadership engagement is necessary for fostering safety initiatives. Changing perceptions about workplace safety will be imperative. Cultural shifts in safety are essential for effective implementation. The integration of technology into safety processes cannot be overlooked. Safety 4.0 is inherently sustainable. The future of workplace safety will increasingly depend on innovation. Continuous learning in workplace safety will be key to success. Feedback and improvement mechanisms are vital. Organizations need to continuously implement innovative solutions. The implementation of Safety 4.0 will reshape organizational landscapes. The journey towards Safety 4.0 involves all stakeholders. A shared vision for the future of safety will empower organizations. Empowering through safety will create a solid foundation for success. Celebrating achievements in safety will pave the way for future improvements. Moving forward together toward a safer future is crucial. The implications of Safety 4.0 touch all aspects of the workplace. As organizations embark on this transformative journey, commitment to Safety 4.0 will yield substantial benefits. Let us elevate safety together toward a thriving future. Embracing change in safety culture can ensure success. Future progress relies on collaboration at all levels. Including safety as a core value in organizations will drive greater commitment. The future of safety culture is bright, innovative, and inclusive. Advancing safety initiatives will remain an ongoing journey. Together, we can create a safer and healthier workplace. The journey towards Safety 4.0 is just beginning.